please, if you are here, make sure you support the channel, share the videos, like the video, share to your friends and family, join the family. You know, it's about time we all grow together. It's a boy, Mr. Ghana, baby, the one and only annoying village boy from Ghana.
Thank you, Wode.
Peace out. Yeah. The aroma alone, yeah? Hey.
Now cool. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please, I hope you are all doing well. Today, as you can see, we are going to make something very yummy and sumptuous, but I'm not the one going to make it. Of course, there's someone special coming, and he's
Wode Maya.
Wode Maya.
Those of you who think that Wode Maya cannot cook, today I'm gonna cook something tantalizing,
Hey.
something special,
Okay.
yummy, succulent. I'm sorry, I don't know.
Everything, say it.
Edible, something edible, not
Okay.
something poisonous. Yeah,
Okay,
what are
Wode
you
Maya.
cooking today?
Today I brought you the vegetables you are going to use are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey.
Only 6 different types of vegetables.
And I have to cook with this?
Yes, you have to make use of it to make a yummy sauce for me.
I look for you.
For us.
Okay, this is gonna be like a magic, man.
Okay, so Wode Maya, tell them what should they watch out for.
You should watch out for something that is eatable.
Okay.
Something that will make you forget your side chick. Something that will make you forget your girlfriends. And you know, like the food that I can cook, it will shock you. Like if you eat this food, definitely you're not gonna eat your girlfriend or your side chick. Or
Oh, really?
Your wife's food again.
Okay.
This is Chef Maya.
Okay.
Where's my apron?
Let's get into it.
Let's get into the video.
Wode Maya.
Oh, I took this apron.
Okay, then I think the chefs wear something like that. So we are improvising.
Yeah, exactly.
So let's introduce them to the vegetables.
This is tomatoes. This is green pepper. I got my carrots in here. And then which one is this? Is it
Cucumber.
Okay, cucumber. Okay. And then this one is onion and
Spring onions.
Jesus, spring onion. It's my first time gonna cook something like this. and don't forget that we got our Maggi sauce. This is not an advert. A big shout out to Maggi. This has been in existence for so long. So if you're watching this video, if you're a Maggi fan, please let me know in the comment section.
Okay.
And you know, in Ghana, this is fried tog. You know, do you know that I never knew that it's just sun oil?
Really?
I thought every oil that looks like this is called
It's
fried
called
tog.
fried tog. Okay.
Yeah.
And we have some curry powder here.
Oh, curry powder, yeah. To spice it up.
And we have some sardines in vegetable oil.
Thank you, Obapa. Thank you, Obapa kono kono.
Good. So we are going to start by chopping the vegetables.
Yeah, who's gonna chop it?
Wode Maya, of course, you are going to do. I'll only assist you.
Okay, no problem.
So first of all, you have to wash your hands first.
Oh yeah.
Safety first.
Exactly. Oh yes, you know, so you cut them into pieces.
Which one next?
The green pepper? How am I gonna slice this?
There are seeds in it.
So
I think you have to. No.
we've already chopped them nicely, sliced them into different sizes. It's time to cook, so come with me. Let me show you my cooking skills. Wode Maya. First of all, what you need to do is to heat your saucepan, yeah? So I've got my saucepan here. It's a frying pan saucepan, how we call it. Like, my kitchen is world class.
So Wode,
Yeah.
can we trust you on this?
Feel free and trust me.
Can I entrust my tummy to you
You
on
can even
this?
you can even trust with your whole body,
Okay.
not in only your tummy.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay.
My food is one of the best on the continent and worldwide. You know, like when it comes to like competition, even France invites me to cook for them.
Really?
So you know, France.
Oh, this is bougie.
I can't wait to. I can't wait.
Wode Maya, you know this is not the food you were supposed to prepare.
Really?
Your favorite is fufu and groundnut soup.
You know, you can't cook
So
fufu
people,
in my house.
yes. So let's tell them.
Yeah, like,
Because I don't want people to be coming to say in the comment section, why didn't he cook fufu and all that?
fufu, I can't cook fufu. Now I'm living a luxury life. Like I told you, I'm the luxurious Maya. I can't be cooking fufu in this place. Come on. You see, I got my apron. Yeah.
It's taking way too much time.
So, make sure I put my oil. You know, oil is not good for oil is not good for your body, so I think just small oil.
Yeah, and for the purpose of this, we are going to allow the natural juices in the vegetable to work. So we don't need much moisture.
This is okay.
Of course. So let me go to there for you. And which of the vegetables is going to go in first?
Onion
Mm-hmm.
comes with the greenish.
I think these three should go first because they are the hardest ones. Yeah.
Like I just want the oil to heat up a little bit.
So that we can hear the shh.
Yeah. If you're cooking and don't hear the sound,
then you're not cooking. Okay.
That's not a good way of cooking. So yeah, you gotta follow my process. Okay. Follow me.
Okay, let me come back.
Recipe is called tantalizing recipe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Main course. Exactly.
That's the last one.
Exactly. They don't even know.
Okay.
This one.
Yes. So we are adding some powdered pepper.
In Ghana, we eat chili. Right, so get some chili.
Okay,
I'm just gonna add my Maggi. So what?
seasoning. This is going to taste well. Wode Maya, what is this?
Come on,
The sauce.
I don't want to cook it.
I'm not the one. Just keep quiet.
Oh, wow.
Smells good.
It smells so good, and I definitely know that it's going to taste so well.
Of course.
You know, I know that I cook better than most of the girls watching up right now.
Wode Maya.
I know.
Can you fight?
See, my food will fight for you. Trust me.
Okay, guys, you heard him.
My food will fight. Add
Your
fish.
sardines.
Yeah, that's the sardine.
Vegetable oil. Wode Maya wants to add the sardines first, so that we'll be able to control the amount of salt. We can't add the salt before the sardines.
Okay, me.
Wode,
Ha!
your curry
My
powder.
curry powder, take your time.
Curry powder is actually nutritious.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Maya, the Ashantis will come for you.
I love my Ashanti brothers and sisters. Hey, I went to Kumasi and I saw them cooking fufu at 6 a.m. I was like, I love eating
Even
fufu.
6
but you
a.m.
people,
was late.
you people, man. You people, I salute you.
Wow.
Exactly.
What
This is
do
what
you-
I said. I
This
want to
looks
cook.
beautiful.
Not just beautiful, like I said in the beginning, I'm cooking something tantalizing.
Tantalizing.
If you don't know the meaning of tantalizing, you can literally check your dictionary and go find out the meaning of tantalizing. In
Okay.
French, they say tantalisation.
Really?
Exactly.
I have to go.
Go check it out.
Right.
Exactly.
Oh, they should see this.
They should taste it. It's not about the beauty of the food, it's about the taste. And I know some of them will
And
do
how
that.
colorful it looks.
Oh, very colorful, like Kumasi Ashanti Kotoko.
Oh, wow. Me, is the sardines for me.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm a vegetarian.
They look good.
See, I'm taking just a little bit of salt because of what? The sardine. The sardine already contains salt, so you don't need to put too much salt in your food. You got Maggi in there, so yeah,
Yes.
you're good to go.
I really want to.
I'm sorry. I can't, this can't satisfy me. I'll finish it myself.
So at this point, we are just going to allow it to simmer for some time.
That's it.
Because it's done.
That's it. Then after that, you just wash your hands and get ready for your food. You know, whatever I say, I do it. This is tantalizing meal that can make your wife leave you. This food, if you eat this, you won't even try to eat your side chick's food again.
Okay.
You definitely concentrate on Maya's food. This is one and only Chef One.
That means the whole world is coming for you.
I'm telling you, I used to like competition, even France. You come and employ me, and then I represent France, and I think I'm not really interested.
But Wode, I'm impressed.
Thank you so much.
Like,
Thank you so much.
this
You want to
looks-
taste?
Let me taste. of
Where's your
course.
food?
We will serve, but first, my mouth is doing me. Please, I want only carrots. What the?
Ah,
That's so mean.
carrots. It's,
This small one.
ah, you said you want only carrots. The fact that I cook the food with you doesn't mean I have to eat with you.
Mm. You are
like
mean.
You like
It's
it?
nice, yes.
Chef
What
one.
day?
Chef one.
This is
the
good.
whole world. I said, bring your plates. Let me.
Wode Maya.
Yeah. I didn't want to be this up.
Oh, wow.
You see?
This is 5-star.
Why 5-star? 10 stars.
Okay, infinity stars.
Infinity stars. Thank you. So, thank you so much for watching.
Mr. Ghana baby,
Yeah.
please tell my subscribers something.
Please, so
Say
if
something
you are
to
here,
them.
make sure you support the channel, share the videos, like the video, share to your friends and family, join the family. You know, it's about time we all grow together. It's a boy, Mr. Ghana baby, the one and only annoying village boy from Ghana. I love
Thank
all.
you,
And
Wode.
peace out.